The Swiffer WetJet for wood mopping kit. It comes with 5 mopper things, 1 of the solution, and it comes with 4 batteries, which is nice. So these are microfiber like pads. It's a quick dry solution, and it says it's safe on all floor types, but it is specifically for wood. So I'm gonna put this guy together and see how it does. These are our floors, and they're not, I mean, from far away they don't look dirty, but they do need a good mopping. We have wood floors, we have 2 kids and a dog, so I will show you how it works. Okay, so assembly was pretty easy. You just connect. The batteries go in here. That was pretty easy. This pulls up and the batteries go in there, 4 AA's. And the bottle, you just press down until this thing clicks. I'll give you a little demo. This here is your button that squirts. See, we got a little squirt. And then you just mop away. Yeah, pretty convenient. I would imagine you would go through the refill pads pretty quickly. I know that I would, because one is gonna be a one and done sort of deal. But yeah, I like it. The sprayer is a little close to your handle. I've actually kind of sprayed on accident a couple times, but I'm sure I'll get used to that. And it does, the solution dries really quickly, so that's nice. Let me show you. So I've mopped a small portion of our living area. It smells good too. Let's look at the bottom. Ew, yuck. Most of the dirt is going to the front, so maybe I need to change my strategy here. But yeah, so this is the Swiffer Swiffer WetJet for wood mopping kit. I like it.